Can an AI upscaler recover real detail, or does it simply invent a sharper mistake? We tested the same 960 by 544 frames with two ComfyUI methods, LTX 2.3 IC-LoRA and SeedVR2. First, the Glassblower. IC-LoRA creates a softer, cinematic interpretation. SeedVR2 stays closer to the source geometry while restoring stronger texture in the face, reflections, and hot glass. Now moving fur, watch the wolf's face. IC-LoRA briefly smears the anatomy. SeedVR2 preserves the muzzle and fur more consistently, although its micro-contrast can look overprocessed. Finally, a bird crosses the Watchmaker's face. Neither method fixes the broken source interaction. IC-LoRA softens and warps it. SeedVR2 preserves identity better but makes the original failure sharper. Upscaling is not repair. On this RTX 5090, SeedVR2 used one step, 84 to 105 seconds, and about 25 gigabytes of peak VRAM. IC-LoRA used 8 steps, 249 to 382 seconds, and over 30 gigabytes. The verdict: SeedVR2 is the better restoration tool here. IC-LoRA is useful for creative reinterpretation. Inspect motion at full scale, because the sharpest frame is not automatically the most truthful video.